What's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how I took this beautiful swing trade on Euro USD. It made me more than 5k before this stupid taxes from Belgium, of course. Now I have almost nothing left, but yeah, let's just look at the trade idea. So first, I will go a little bit back in time. We were like around here. As you can see, there is a very clear trend line forming. Here, break of structure. Break of structure. So what do we have? We have tap 1, tap 2, and then we have our third tap. I always wait for a third reaction, third tap. I like, I never enter on a second one. I always want to see a third one if I take a trendline inducement trade. Trendline inducement trades are like my favorite setup. They have a pretty high win rate, so that's why I like them so much. But now, this is not enough, of course. We're not gonna just enter because there is liquidity being built. If you look to the left, here, we had a big move up. So it was gonna induce buyers right here. As you can see, it showed a fake reaction back to the upside, and then we took them out. I will put it like here. So this means there's no liquidity below this low anymore for my strategy, of course. Now, after this big move up, and we start building liquidity again from around this low. So you can see, build liquidity, just uptrend a little bit, build trend line liquidity again here, blah blah blah. But that's not important. We have identified as this as the most discount liquidity place. So you want to see this get taken out before you look for a long setup. And at the same time, when this gets taken out, you also want to see your buy side liquidity form like this. Now, when I saw this reaction, so the third tap, I was pretty sold already. I saw this nice order block at the very extreme. And this was also a sweep of all the internal liquidity. So it means there is nothing left behind this low. So the price has no reason to go lower than this. So what did I do? I already placed a limit. I put a buy limit there, and that's it. I closed my chart, and then I just let it play it out. That's all I did. Get tapped in, do nothing, absolutely do nothing, and hope I have 5 extra K in the pocket by maybe what I do 30 minutes of work was this for me. So it's a beautiful setup. You want to see first, if you look for a long setup, you want to see the buyers get taken out, and then you also want to see the sell side buy side liquidity form like this. Here we have a trend line. It can also be supply demand, it can be support and resistance, like all those basic retail concepts. But in most cases, it's gonna be a trend line inducement that you're gonna see. So this was the setup. I only enter when there is no liquidity behind a low or a high. So that's why I didn't take any trades here, no sell trades. I wait. I simply just wait till price was below there. And then I have a free trade, just free money. It's so simple, guys. All you need is liquidity. So I hope you guys understand this setup. If not, you can of course comment. I can always make a new video or maybe do like a one-on-one call. We will see. But hopefully you understand, because the concept is pretty simple. It's just purely based on liquidity. So hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you guys later.